Alright, so this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and these real-life images of the phone were shared by FrontPageTech, and they show us the final design of this phone. Now, a month ago we did get some renders of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and those renders showed a very weird camera module design on the back, where the camera module had a P shape. But with these new set of real-life images of the phone, it is now pretty much confirmed that the design which those previous renders showed was not the final design. Starting with the camera module itself, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra does not have a camera housing on the back to have all the cameras in it. Instead, each camera lens is sitting separately on the top left corner on the back, and we have seen such a design in some Galaxy A series phones. Honestly, while this does look nice, I would still prefer the camera module design of the Galaxy S21 series of this year over this one. In terms of the camera specifications, it seems like Samsung is not going to change the camera arrangement when compared to the Galaxy S21 Ultra, at least on paper. There is the same primary 108 megapixel camera, a secondary 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto, and a 10 megapixel 10x periscope camera. On the front, there is a display that is not completely flat since there are slightly curved sides. The display also gets a hole punch cutout in the middle and not an in-display selfie camera. The overall design of the phone is also quite boxy, just like the Galaxy Note series phones. And speaking of the Galaxy Note series, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is getting something which was once exclusive to the Note series. We are talking about the S Pen slot. Now, the S Pen support was there for the Galaxy S21 Ultra of this year, but that phone did not get a dedicated slot to keep the S Pen. But now that the Galaxy S22 Ultra is getting it, this pretty much confirms that the Galaxy Note series is dead and we won't get any more phones under this series. And finally, if you did not know, the Galaxy S22 series is going to launch in the second week of February next year. So yeah, that's all about the design of Galaxy S22 Ultra. What are your thoughts on this design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.